Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have to show you two scanners mainly. Most of the retail traders are asking, "Sir, give me Nifty and Bank Nifty. You are giving the stocks; it is very good, but we want Nifty and Bank Nifty so that we can trade in options. We have less capital, like that they are asking." So that's why I planned on this occasion. So today is a Eid, Bakrid. So I planned this occasion. So today is a market holiday also. So I will introduce two more scans. One is Nifty and Bank Nifty sell scan, and another one is Nifty and Bank Nifty bull scan. So these two scans having a more than 85% accuracy. Some in sometimes stop loss hit, and the stop loss hit is also very less is there, and if comes to reward, it's more. It's come to reward, it's more. So that's why. So I will show you the back tested results of Nifty and Bank Nifty sell as well as bull means upside scanner in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And one more thing, to get alert of this tax, most of the people are know of my followers, I will use charting platform. Charting is a platform, so it is a web based software platform. We have to input our parameter, so it will give you, we have to input our parameter. It will give you the output as a stock alert name. So Nifty and Bank Nifty stock alert also it will give you. If the my parameters, if my parameter trigger my situation, my parameter triggers, then only it will give you alert. So like that charting platform it will work, and it will give you EOD alert also, and it will give you live alert also. It will give you live alert also. In the last 3 months, this is the Bank Nifty and Nifty sell scanner. This is the Bank Nifty and Nifty sell scanner. In the last 3 months, it is giving the result like this. I will download this. If you observe, backtested TT Bank Nifty sell technical analysis scanner CSV file. I will download this CSV file. If you download this and open this, you will get a 72 trades, both as well as Nifty and Bank Nifty. That means 36 trades. So in Nifty and Bank Nifty, sometimes it will give you both alerts. You can't trade in a both, so you have to choose only one according to your adjustment and your capital. So this is the Nifty and Bank Nifty parameter. I will show you some couple of the things. Uh, Remaining you can check because I don't have a time. So I will show you the first this one 31.3. So that means March 31 9:15 it is giving the signal for sell, to sell the Bank Nifty. So we will go to the chart and we will see the Bank Nifty 31.3 March 9:15 it is giving the signal. So it's far away from March. We will go check. See, so this is the 31. See, 9:15 it is giving the signal, and after that it is falling. Even if you shorted in this candle 33,430, say what is the low? 33,000. You got 250 points in the Bank Nifty. So this is the thing. So I will download it again, the same scanner. I will show you. In the recent days market was falling. I will show you 19. So 19 date it is giving the signal at 9:15, and 12th date Nifty and Bank Nifty both as well as it is giving at 1 o'clock. So we will see that also. So this is the 19 date and 12 date. See, and 12 date it is giving the signal at 1 o'clock and market is falling. And in a 19 date Nifty, see, after 9:50 only you have to short. 9:50 candle completion, after that you will short. See, you shorted and market is falling. So you shorted at opening price of the 9:30 candle, 15,826. It made high 2036 and made low. That is most important. So almost all you will get 100 points in Nifty. So if you got 100 points in Nifty, it's your money will more than 2 times double in 19th date. So this is the thing. So I will show you again. See, take this screenshot, okay, and check in the chat. And after that, if you're interested, you can ping me by WhatsApp number. I will give you my WhatsApp number in the description. So this is the thing. Take this screenshot and check in the chart, okay, and take this also. So if you're interested, you can join my course. I will give you my WhatsApp number in the description. Let's talk about a bull scan. So this now over is bearish scan. So I will show you the bull scan. Yes, this is the bull scan of the last 3 months. So these are the bull scan. You can check in the chart by using my time frame, according to my time frame, and after that you can reset. This is the bull scan, and after previous one I showed, that is a bearish scan. Okay, so in the last month as well as Nifty and Bank Nifty, we got more than Nifty. We got more than that bearish scan is 72 scans, and this one 15 scans, and both are combined, as well as you will get a every day or every 2 days once you will get a Nifty and Bank Nifty scans. So those who are interested, you can ping me by WhatsApp. I will give you my number in the description. Thank you.